Hi guys, High Definition here for my week 4 vlog in my CVAP journey. Week 4. Start tayo sa lesson. The lessons discussed for this week was more of doing voice artistry as something profitable. Dito na diniscuss yung professional levels, diniscuss na din yung contracts and all the yellow and red flags when looking for jobs related to voice acting, to dubbing, voiceovers and all. Tulad nung sinabi ko sa vlog ko, well, hindi ko na ilalayo masyado yung vlog ko with this video. Sabi ko kasi doon, hindi ko naman talaga in-expect na pagkakakitaan ko to. Kaya ako nag-enroll kasi I was challenged before. Sabi ko, ang galing ng pagdadub ng mga napapanood ko, ang galing ng voiceovers na ginagawa nila. Sabi ko, gusto ko rin. Without thinking na kapag nag-enroll ako dito, posible pala dumating sa point na pagkakitaan ko siya. Siyempre, I had a chat with the mentors. Pumasok din yung realization na siyempre, hindi ko rin naman pagkakitaan tong ginagawa ko to kung hindi ko rin ipupush yung sarili ko mag-improve. Tulad dun sa week 3 vlog ko, ang sabi ko, kailangan ingatan ko yung voice ko, gawin ko kung ano yung kailangan, iwasan yung hindi, strive to get better. That's when, ayun nga, ilalook forward natin if magiging fruitful to. Pero still, the lesson is very enlightening since everything can be fruitful naman talaga if given a chance. Feelings. Here goes the batch recital. Paggrabe na ng paggrabe yung ginagawa namin. Still, making the script, hindi pa siya tapos by now. Pero so far, I get good reviews. And I just want to thank Diana paulit-ulit for being the co-script writer that she is to me dun sa paggawa ng script. At first, I know nahirapan siya. Kasi, she knows the story of Snow White, pero ang ginawa ko kasi, I twisted it into something more Pinoy. So, syempre, naglalaro sa isip ko, hindi naglalaro sa isip ni Dayan. Or if possible, merong creative part sa kanya na hindi sakto dun sa creative part na meron ako. So, it's a good thing na she's very willing to adjust. Kaya, thank you very much kay Dan. And to everyone para dun sa recital, thank you sa effort nyo guys. I'm really looking forward to see it in action. So far yung mga nakita ko rin and narinig ko na voiceovers or voice recordings for the recital, sobrang nakakatawa. So guys, I hope you also look forward to it and sana magustuhan niya. So that's it guys. High Definition here, signing out for my week 4 vlog. I hope to see you again soon guys. Pero last assignment na kasi ito eh. Anyways, kung meron pang chance, I hope to see you again. Thank you for listening to my woes and to my whatsoever dito sa mga vlogs ko in my 4-week course here in the Certified Voice Artist Program. Thank you very much and again, High Definition signing out. Bye guys.